Welcome back to Classic Cars Cheap, home of classic hot rods. Old school style, powerful engines, and true custom culture. Enjoy the ride. Number 1. 1936 Chevrolet Classic. Price, $27,000. Mileage, 410 miles. Location, Corpus Christi, Texas. A beautifully preserved and tastefully upgraded 1936 Chevrolet Classic that blends pre-war elegance with modern drivability. Finished in rich burgundy with a matching interior, this Chevy delivers refined street rod presence and undeniable curb appeal. Under the hood sits a dependable Chevy 350 V8 paired with a smooth turbo 350 automatic transmission. Equipped with power steering, power brakes, aftermarket cold air conditioning, and updated electrical components, this classic is built to be enjoyed in today's driving conditions. With only 410 miles, paid-off status, and ready-to-drive condition, it is ideal for cruising, car shows, or adding a turnkey street rod to any collection. Number 2. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe. Price, $29,500. Mileage, 52,500 miles. Location, Shreveport, Louisiana. This 1979 Camaro Z28 is a true survivor and collector-grade example. It is a second-owner car. The first owner purchased it new after it arrived at the Chevrolet dealership where he worked and kept it until selling it 2 years ago. The car is all original with matching numbers and has been stored properly. Nothing has been tampered with. Finished in eye-catching yellow with a classic black interior, it offers smooth cruising with an automatic transmission while retaining the aggressive muscle car presence that made late 1970s Z28S iconic. With a clean title, excellent condition, and documented ownership history, this Camaro represents a rare opportunity to own a low-mileage, well-preserved second-generation Z28. Number 3. 1934 Plymouth Coupe Hot Rod Blown. Price, $32,500. Mileage, 12,345 miles. Location, Marietta, Georgia. A serious hot rod with classic steel and modern muscle. This 1934 Plymouth Coupe is built to stand out and sound even better. Powered by a freshly built 6-71 blown small block Chevy, it delivers aggressive performance with unmistakable supercharged attitude. The steel body provides true old-school credibility, while the black interior keeps the focus on raw power and driving experience. Built for cruising or showing with confidence, this Plymouth blends vintage lines with high-impact performance upgrades and undeniable street presence. Number 4. 1965 Ford Mustang. Price, $28,500. Location, Pearland, Texas. A strong and well-built 1965 Mustang featuring a 351 V8 paired with a true 4-speed manual transmission. This setup delivers an authentic, driver-focused muscle car experience with great sound and torque. With custom touches throughout, it is built to be driven and enjoyed. A great choice for cruising, shows, or classic muscle enthusiasts. Number 5. 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe. Price, $34,900. Mileage, 3,313 miles. Location, Green Cove Springs, Florida. A classic hot rod icon, this 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe features a fiberglass body, extensive chrome, vintage air conditioning, door poppers, and an electric trunk. The paint is near flawless, and the car runs smoothly. Featuring a 2.5-inch chopped top, bright red exterior, and black interior, power comes from a 350 V8 paired with an automatic transmission. With just 3,313 miles since completion, a clean title, and paid-off status, this 34 Ford delivers classic looks with modern drivability in one complete package. Number 6. The 1923 Ford T-Bucket, priced at $15,000. According to the owner, this 1923 Model T delivers true traditional hot rod attitude with a timeless custom look. Power comes from a Chevy small block engine, featuring polished aluminum valve covers that give the engine bay a clean, aggressive appearance. Fuel delivery is handled by a Weber 48 IDF carburetor setup, paired with MSD ignition for strong, reliable performance. Braking duties are handled by Willwood disc brakes, providing confident stopping power to match the car's lightweight and performance-focused build. Visually, the body is finished in classic black, highlighted by iconic yellow and orange flame graphics that perfectly capture the spirit of a traditional T-Bucket. The look is completed with a matte black roof, featuring a distinctive oval porthole window that adds a unique custom touch. Inside the cabin, the car is equipped with a floor-mounted shifter, and all gauges and lights are fully functional, making this hot rod not just a showpiece, but a driver. The seller notes that reasonable offers will be considered, but no trades are accepted. The car holds a clean title and is currently located in Rossville, Georgia. With an asking price of $15,000, this 1923 Ford T-Bucket represents a great opportunity to own a classic American hot rod with unmistakable style and attitude. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on notifications. Number 7. 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe, priced at $30,000. Heat. As outlined in the listing, this 34 Ford comes equipped with a 355 small block paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission and a 3.73 Posey rear end. The build includes a boxed 1934 frame with ladder bar rear suspension and Dakota digital electronics throughout. Convenience features include power doors, power windows, and a power trunk. The interior is finished in black with what the seller refers to as an ostrich-style interior. The seller notes the car is quick and responsive, handling like a go-kart. Finished in black over black, the vehicle is offered with a clean title. The asking price is $30,000 OBO, no trades. Located in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Number 8. The 1930 Ford Tudor, priced at $22,000. According to the listing, this 30 Tudor is built in true rat rod fashion, emphasizing attitude and performance. Power comes from a small block 327 engine, paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. An air ride setup on the rear allows for adjustable stance. The seller notes the car is very fast and a lot of fun to drive. Finished in burgundy, offered with a clean title. Located in Wildwood, Missouri. Number 9. 1935 Ford Pickup, offered at $23,000. As listed, this 35 Ford Pickup comes equipped with a 350 engine paired with a TH350 3-speed automatic transmission and an 8.8-inch Ford rear axle. The cab has been chopped, and the body sports a green over white paint scheme with custom pinstriping and a mural on the tailgate. Performance enhancements include dual Holley carburetors on an Edelbrock tunnel ram intake manifold, open exhaust headers, an aluminum radiator, disc brakes, and adjustable rear coilovers. The bed floor is polished wood for added detail, and the suspension is lowered with hairpin radius rods up front and adjustable coilovers in the rear. Staggered 5-spoke wheels wear Goodyear Assurance tires up front and 31 by 10.5 Corsa all-terrain tires in the rear. Inside features include a green-painted dashboard from a 1950s Pontiac, a gray leather bench seat, color-matched door panels, carpet, reflective ceiling insulation, and a hidden stereo with auxiliary inputs. The door glass has been removed, and minor corrosion is noted in the floor pans. Driven approximately 22,000 miles since build, the truck runs and drives as good as it looks. Offered at $23,000 OBO. Located in Wimberley, Texas. Number 10. The 1932 Ford three-window coupe, priced at $39,000. Heat. As described in the listing, this 32 Ford is powered by a 283 engine with a triple-deuce carburetor setup, paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The drivetrain is backed by a Ford 9-inch rear end with a 4-bar coilover suspension. The car is equipped with vintage air conditioning, power windows, power locks, and a power trunk. Rolling stock includes Craigar wheels wrapped in massive Mickey Thompson 29 by 15 rear tires. The seller states the car runs and drives exactly as it should, with the interior described as being in perfect condition and 9,399 miles driven. Presented as a great summertime runner. Trades considered specifically for a 1955 or 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air. Located in Martin, Ohio. Number 11. The 1929 Ford Model Tudor, listed at $24,000. As described in the listing, this 29 Tudor comes equipped with a 59 AB flathead engine paired with a T5 transmission. The engine uses Stromberg triple carburetors with a Stromberg electronic ignition. As noted by the seller, a spare motor and numerous additional parts are included. The vehicle lacks side glass for the doors, but is otherwise fully operational, running and driving very well. The seller notes it is a head-turner, but is selling due to limited driving time. Trades are limited to newer 3/4-ton trucks, 2020 or newer, with cash adjustments considered for the right deal. An enclosed trailer can be included for an additional price as a package deal. Located in Manchester, New Hampshire. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on notifications. Number 12. 1988 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe. Price, $6,000. Mileage, 200,000 miles. Location, Fort Worth, Texas. A classic G-body platform with plenty of potential. This 1988 Monte Carlo LS is offered as a rolling project for the right buyer. Finished in blue with a black interior, it retains the clean, timeless lines that made these cars favorites among builders. Equipped with an automatic transmission and paid off with title in hand, it is a solid starting point for a street build, sleeper, or long-term restoration. With many photos available and room for customization, this Monte Carlo offers a budget-friendly entry into classic Chevy ownership.